Okay, so I'm still like really tired, but I just checked in. Everything went really smoothly, really fast. I know I saw some people's videos and there was like a lot of people checking in, but not with me. And I got the room that I wanted. I live in the Commons in the 2-bedroom. No, yeah, I live in the Commons with a 2-bedroom 4-person, so that is great. My roommate's already there, so then I can just go ahead and go meet her. Everyone's been really nice, so I'm just gonna go back to my car and go to the parking complex, or like the actual unit that I have. I think we're in like the really back, which isn't a problem, honestly, because as long as it's quiet, that is really just gonna be all I need. So I got my parking decal, I got some Wi-Fi passwords, so we're gonna be good. The worst part is really just going to be unloading my car by myself. So here we go. Okay, so I'm back. It's a little bit later. I moved into my room. One of my roommate's parents is still here, so I'm gonna wait on giving just like the empty apartment tour until they leave, just so I'm not like putting the camera all up in their face and stuff. Okay, we need to talk because there's a lot going on and I want to explain my opinion on the place that I got. I'm very grateful. Do not get this wrong, do not get it twisted. I am very grateful for, you know, this spot, especially the Commons. I know that's one of like the nicest spots that they have because it has no laundry and everything. I got the 2-bedroom 4-people unit and all the girls are great. I'm getting great vibes from them, loving that, because I've definitely had my fair share of bad roommate experiences. But anyways, that's not what this video is about. But there's only like 1 shower and I don't know how I feel about that. I wish that there was definitely 2, but I'll show you guys that. And let me just show you my side of the room, which is right here behind me. I'm unpacking right now. Like I said before, I'll show you guys an empty apartment tour once my roommate's family leaves. And I got my schedule for training and traditions and casting and all that other kind of stuff. It's now Monday. I think I have casting today, honestly. I really don't know. But I know I have traditions Saturday, and then I have training for work Sunday, and then we just kick off full roll. Here we are, welcome to Disney, let's work. So another crazy thing happened. I love how we have this beautiful window because that is gonna be so great for when I'm filming and stuff, and just for pictures. But one of my roommates is also from ECU, like me. She goes to the same school as me. I've never seen her before, but she like lives in North Carolina and all that kind of stuff. So it's really cool to have a little piece of home or someone that's also from North Carolina. My roommate's also from North Carolina too. So 3 out of the 4 of us are from North Carolina. So at least we have something to, you know, like talk about. Okay, so here's the door. I'm just gonna turn around. I'm not really gonna show my roommates. I'm just gonna show like us, like this is just the room. I'm not gonna show like her stuff in detail, but I'll show you guys the room. I got the Commons 2-bedroom 4-people. So this is all my stuff right now. It came with the little side dresser. There's my Red Bull because I need that right now. A twin bed. I have 2 dressers underneath here. Right there. My purse, all that. Nice big wall to decorate. Beautiful, beautiful window with the view of a highway. Okay. And then there is a closet. I just hung up some of my clothes that I brought, and then I have this thing. I think I'm gonna put my shoes in there, and then my roommate has her stuff down there. So I'm just gonna unpack for the most part of what I can today, and then I'm pretty sure I have casting today, and then I will show you guys the rest of the apartment and whatever else I can vlog today. Okay, so here's the door. Then when you turn around, this is what you have. Just a quick overview, and then I will get into detail. So we'll start away from here, work our way over here, back there, over there. Okay. So right here we have a dining table. We have 4 of us. There's 4 chairs. There's just my stuff right here, so I decided to like set it down right there for a second. We have boxes and stuff because we literally just moved in like 2 hours ago, so bear with us. Then we have the kitchen. In the kitchen we have our stove, microwave. Okay, and so then in this pantry, Disney does give us a lot of plates, bowls, cups, mugs, and then there's this empty space up here. We actually don't have a pantry, so we're gonna have to figure out a way how we're gonna store our snacks. And then there's the stove, microwave. Up here is where we're gonna keep all of our spices. Right now, this is what someone brought. I don't know who brought this, but someone's spices are up there. Down there, I'm gonna put some of my pots and pans. I just rinsed one off because it had a little bit of breadcrumbs from my toaster on it. And then I guess we'll just turn over here then. I'll still get over there, don't worry. We have our dishwasher. Someone brought a coffee maker and then their coffee. I brought a little soap for us. Someone brought their, maybe this is like a personal soap, and then a little sponge, a toaster. This is my toaster, and then Tupperware. Someone brought their Keurig. And then there's a lot of storage and a lot of space, which is really good. Just kind of almost got some things going in there. And there's some more down here, and then these open up as well. I just put like my 2 little water bottle coffee things in there. Then this is the fridge. I haven't even opened it up yet. So this is really good for 4 people, I feel like. And then this is the freezer. We have an ice maker, which is really good. I think someone brought a little ice thing, which is cute. It looks like it's confetti. Then in here we have our washer and dryer. Now if you don't know, the Commons, which is where I'm staying, is the only one that has like the washer and dryer in, wait, let me point to it. The washer and dryer in the unit. And I just put my little soap up here. Someone put their Tide Pods up there. And then this is where we have our trash and recycling bin. And then we are done with the kitchen. So from the kitchen, you can see the living room where we're gonna go next. I also have a phone. I think that's for like maintenance. We have a double sink. And then in the living room, we just have a side table, this table. That's my TV, but I forgot the remote. So it's okay. I think I'm just gonna put the TV in the little storage closet that we have over there that I'm gonna show you guys. And then this is my roommate's TV that she decided to bring out here. So we have the ugly couches. For a second in my mind, I wanted to get the little couch covers so we could, you know, have it look better, but they're expensive and it's really not that serious to me. So this will just do. And then we have, I don't know why we have 2 more chairs. Maybe these are supposed to be like desks or something, but this is her TV, that's my TV. And then over here we have a beautiful mirror that looks out to, there's like a shopping center down there, so that's what that is. And then there's like the highway right there. And then there's the storage closet, which is great to store any of our extra stuff. And actually, funny story, I'm standing right now. You see this? This is supposed to be our outside patio. We actually didn't get an outside patio, and a lot of people did. Instead, we just got an extended living room. So I don't know if I'm complaining. I don't know how I feel, really. I guess we'll see. From the living room, there is me and Chandler's room. I already showed you guys this. This is my side, her side. And then over here, this is my roommate's room. But I'm just gonna show the bathroom. There is only 1 bathroom, like I said before, which I'm not too hot about, but it will do. So then we have a sink, a little medicine cabinet right here, and then a shower, toilet, and then in here, they have their own little sink. So that's really cool. So yeah. Now I'm just unpacking. I have casting at 3. A lot of people have it at 2, so I don't know why mine's at 3. And I need to go to Aldi's. Don't mind my oil stain. I told you, I don't know where it came from. I need to change my shirt, but I want to shower first. But anyways, I have casting. I want to go to Aldi's. I want to go to Walmart. I'm thinking maybe I can buy a desk and put it into my room because I switch things around. We'll see. We'll see. But yeah, I put this little like wall cubicle in so we can have the bathroom smelling good, and then I have like a whole bunch of smell goods that I can put throughout the apartment, so I'm excited. So yeah, until next time. have bed having, let me turn this off, down a little bit. I have been having a day, do you hear me? A day. So literally my first time in Orlando, never ever been to Disney, and I had to go to casting, and I drove and I typed in the location that they had on the dorm like itinerary thing that you get, and it took me to a completely different place, and I was already kind of cutting it close. I left at 2:30 and I had it at 3, and I didn't think it would be like 20 minutes away, but I guess that's what happens when you live in a city and you know you have to get on the highway for everything. I'm just not really used to that because I don't live in a big city, neither at school or at home. I'm used to everything being like right down the road, but I need to take that into consideration. So, but I got there in time. But then when I was doing my I-9 form, I had put something wrong on the I-9 form, so I had to redo my I-9 form, and then it was taking her forever to get my, not taking her, but taking the system forever to send me the restart I-9 form like application. And then once I got the form, I realized I forgot my password, so then I had to wait for them to send me a new password, and that took forever. I was literally the last person out of there. Like, I've been having a day. I'm going to Walmart to go eat, or no, I'm going to Walmart to go get some food, and then I need to unpack and I just want to chill. Okay guys, so that is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm really excited to be here, and I can't like wait to see what comes. I'm about to go out and like shop for my apartment right now. Maybe I'll include some clips in there of me doing that, but this is basically the end of the video. Showed you guys the empty apartment tour and just me moving in. So until next time, bye.